Hello guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to do live trades. As you can see, I have $854 in my account and currently I'm with 50 index and there is a massive breakout in the downside, right? There is a massive breakout in the downside and I'm right. And so I can go with fall, I think. And let me mark the other zone, and I think market drop this zone as well. So this trade will be the 5-minute expiration time and $200 trade. Yeah, so this zone has been broken, right? So all right. Yes, so I'm going to go with sellers, $200, right? So for the next 5 minutes, I'm expecting that market will go down, strong down, right? And now let me explain you this trade so you will understand each and everything. So why I placed a down trade? Because just check this market from this bottom zone, right? From this bottom zone, check market, it was continuously making bullish candles and strong uptrends. Then you can see it's made some type of sideways, right? And then we can see a strong breakout with sellers. It's mean now we will see a momentum from this level, right? From this level we will see a seller's momentum, right? Because this is most repeated things in binary options. If you see a type of market in the left side, we can expect the type of market in the right side almost 90%. So that's why this momentum now has been repeated in the right side after breakout, this consolidation. So see, this is a strong momentum has been started, you can see, and market is trying to just push down, heavy downside, right? So there is $176 profit, I think, with $200 trades, or maybe 190, I think. Yeah, because we are getting almost 90% or 92% profit, I think. And the best thing is Deriv, we getting almost 95% profit in Deriv. So this is a massive platform. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. You can join my free Telegram channel as well, and you can contact me if you want to learn this type of real trading strategy, real trading knowledge. By learning, you can make money and you can change your life. You can really contact me, and don't forget to open your Deriv account with the link in the description, and then contact me. I have some good things for you guys. So let's see, we have around 2 minutes, I think. So the best thing of Deriv, you make $1,000 with $10, just $10. If you make $1,000, you don't need to worry about your payout. If you have any problem, just contact me. I'm here and it's my promise to solve all your issues only if you are under my link. Okay, so it's not like bloody other platforms, IQ options, pocket options, QTEX. If you make profit in QTEX, IQ option, then you need to forget your money. They will just simply block you and send you a simple email. Okay, so don't waste your money in these choppy platforms. So just choose the best platform, the platform that really support your efforts. So in Deriv, if you withdraw thousands of dollars daily, you will not get any problem, right? But you have ability to make money in the market, and it's not possible without learning. Okay, so we have only 10 seconds and we are going to win this trade, guys, the $200 trade. And my account balance was $854, you can see. And yes, we won this trade. Now I'm $1,039, right? So you can see. So here you can place your trades. You can place your trades if you know the market, price action, psychology, each and everything. You can easily make money, believe me. But if you have knowledge, if you don't have knowledge, then you are going to lose thousands of dollars in this market. So okay, I'm going to trade $100 and let me find the market. Let me check volatility 10 index. Okay, no, there is no opportunity. Let's check the other market. All right. Oh yeah, I can see opportunity. The trend is uptrend, and currently market is breaking this trend zone, right? Market is breaking this trend zone. The you know, so I'm going to go with bias. Yes. So I placed higher option for next 5 minutes because let me explain you. This is a next zone, right? The next supply zone, the resistance zone. And let me explain you this trade, why I place higher option in this trade. Let me explain you, right? So here you can see the market is making higher highs, right? Higher highs. So this is the structure. And then market made a lower highs. And then again, it's tried to breaking the highs, previous highs. And this is a zone as well, the sport zone. Okay. This is a sport zone. And here I'm expecting that market will go to the next zone. Actually, this is a logical things you have to understand that whenever these things happening in the market, so market try to get orders from the next supply or from the next demand. So, and the most beautiful thing is you need to understand the market structure and the market trend. So if you go with market structure and market trend, you are going to win almost 95% of your trades, or maybe a 90% of your trades. So this was the structure, right? So now I'm expecting that market again going to break this structure and it will try to go more up. So this way I place this trade. And yeah, you will get some losses as well. It's not like you will get 100% accuracy, but If you have knowledge, then you can easily make money in this market. Believe me. Here in front of you, I'm making money. And I'm explaining you, I'm showing you my withdrawals, my live accounts, each and everything. It's not like that I'm trading in demo and I'm not showing my account. So this is each and everything I'm explaining you. So if I can trade, then you can trade and make money, but after learning each and everything. So don't forget to join my free Telegram channel, link in the description. You can contact me for anything. You can contact me, and don't forget to open your Deriv account with my link. All right. So we have 2 minutes, I think. Yeah. And I hope we will win this trade. And that's it. That's it. If we win this trade, it's okay for today, buddy. It's okay. Then it's time to withdraw your money and enjoy your profit. Right? So I share my withdrawals, my trading profits in my Telegram channel each and every day. Yeah, sometime I cannot record videos for everything. So, but in channel, I share everything. So that's why I'm uh, telling you to join my Telegram channel, right? We have around 50 seconds. Let's see. And you see, the other thing is for this trade, the strong momentum. You see the strong momentum, bullish candles continuously having a strong momentum. So it will also another confirmation for me to go with buyers, right? So I hope you like my videos, and I'm explaining you each and everything, logic, why I'm taking trades and what's the reason behind each and everything. So if you really want to learn, then you have to stay with binary handler, right? Because I'm here to giving you real knowledge that I'm using my own. So thank you very much, and I will come with a new video very soon. Thank you.